Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore bank account verification for Payoneer, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your bank account verification for Payoneer, begin by logging into your Payoneer account. Navigate to the settings section in the main menu. From the drop-down options, select bank account. Review the list of bank accounts linked to your Payoneer account. Identify the account that requires restoration of verification. Click on the account to view its details. If you see a notification indicating that verification is needed, proceed to click the Verify button. Follow the prompts to provide any required documentation. Typical documents include a recent bank statement or a confirmation letter from your bank. Ensure that all documents clearly show your name and address as they appear on your Payoneer account. Once you have completed the required fields, click Submit to send your documents for review. Payoneer will usually notify you via email about the status of your verification. Allow a few business days for the verification process to be completed. If your verification is successful, you will receive confirmation in your Payoneer account. If not, carefully review the feedback provided and resubmit any necessary documents. Recheck your account settings to ensure everything is updated. Once verified, you can continue using your Payoneer account without restrictions. Regularly check your email for any updates regarding your verification status. If you encounter any issues during this process, contact Payoneer customer support for assistance. Following these steps will ensure a smooth restoration of your bank account verification for Payoneer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.